to our no school vlog. So tomorrow the kids do not have no food. Oh my god, I got it. So tomorrow the kids have no school, and so we're at Walmart, and it already kind of looking ugly. Let me let y'all see what it looks like. Walmart is already looking kind of ugly with no food. So I gotta get the girls some things to eat. Let's see, can we find some food? So here we have Morgan, Kendall, Layden. Don't put it. Get off your head. Get that off your head. We have Layden. We have Jade. Jade, say hi to the vlog. Jade mad. Always mad. Come on. Why you mad?
Stop singing it.
I'm mad. So we're about to see what food we need to get for the vlog. Huh?
She said you being mean. She said
I didn't say that. I said take it no more. You being mean.
Okay, y'all. Alright, so as you can see, it is no food here in Walmart. So again, with the girls here, and we're about to see. So the first thing we need to get, we gotta get Jade some fruit. You want some fruit, Jade? Come get it. So we're gonna get some fruit. Get some of these here. Oh, y'all, look at that. This is why, oh, that looks nasty. What you see?
I want dragon fruit.
No fruit flies, girl. Yeah, they all look mushy. Do y'all see the what the other one? The cuties? Y'all don't see cuties?
You can get a water in there.
Duh.
Can we get a dragon
Hopefully we
fruit?
can change Jade little attitude. Yeah, the attitude. Ooh. I kind of like don't want to buy this stuff. I mean, all of these things are really, really soggy. So we're gonna go with some whole. What's it on, kiwis? What are those kiwis? Say what they are. What are they? You just want it because they got blue on them? Do you eat kiwi?
they give it to them at school.
I eat this.
What is that?
The dragon fruit. They give it to us at school
Dragon
now.
fruit.
I'm gonna get whole oranges because them little cutie guys are soft anyway.
I want pineapple. Let me get pineapple.
When I get these. Let's go. Come on. What you ask me?
Mommy, can I get a dragon fruit?
Okay. Okay, so let's see what else we're gonna get. Later. What is that, girl? Put them plants down. Put them down.
She act like
Those
a
not bananas. Put them.
She act like
Them ain't
a
no
baby.
good. The good ones over there.
We need.
Them not no good.
Those not bananas.
What
Those
are
are guacos.
Those are plantos. Put it down. All right, y'all. So we'll get some more fruits. I do get the girls these here because they'll go in the while they looking at TV or whatever. They'll go and grab these here. So we'll get them some
Them moms.
pineapples.
Them moms. Them are ladies.
Those ain't these not gonna stay good long.
I don't care.
I'm not.
Be gone by the night.
Do y'all see how much them pineapples are?
$1.
They're $8.98.
It's somewhat there. What they
Mommy,
Those are those are mangoes.
mommy.
What?
Can we get some Olipop?
Want some what?
Olipop.
They only got this.
No, that Olipop is nasty. Y'all gonna share it? Go ahead and get a small one. I'm not gonna let y'all run my bill up. Being nice.
You being real nice.
No, I'm not.
I like you to get.
I said no. So I get them these here. So they can go in the refrigerator and grab them and eat it. I get 2 of each, so 2 each. Keep that put in the bigger one. That's too many.
You only see what's in.
That's too many.
I feel like you need.
Yeah. Cause they only, yes they do. All right, that's enough.
Think you just need to put one back.
Yeah, there you go. So we got some fruit. So they go to girls. Okay, y'all.
Have you ever tasted water crackers?
See what else they have. So, come on, baby.
Okay, Daniel, you just what?
All right. So we don't have any fries. So I got to get the fries.
What face? Oh, okay.
I love the seasoned fries.
They putting it up.
So we're gonna get the seasoned fries by Checkers. I like those. Come on. Seasoned fries and Checkers. And we're gonna keep it easy. We're not gonna do a real big grocery haul. We're just doing enough so they can have some food in case,
They like screaming.
in case they get snowed in.
Snow, I want snow.
Why? It's not Christmas.
But it's snowing.
Alright, let's see what else we got. Come on. Alright, so
I got bug in my nose.
say what now?
I got bug in my nose.
You take up no, she probably got one of them fruit flies that flew up her nose.
What are we making?
Chipotle
Chipotle
bowls,
bowls, and she got chicken. What did it say? Fajita?
Fajitas.
I said that.
I got
Fajita.
bug in my nose.
Okay, y'all. So we need to get breakfast food because, of course, y'all know I like to cook breakfast. So we're gonna get some breakfast food. Here we go. This bacon here. There's nothing wrong with this bacon. I mean, Walmart really ain't got no food, y'all. I'm just finna tell y'all. Look at the shelves. Because we supposed to get snowed in. These folks done bought all the food. So we ain't got nothing but what they got. So we're gonna get a little some. I don't know. I got to remind me to get some grits because I ain't got no grits.
Hey, get some grits. No, we're being healthy. Put this back. Get
Girl,
turkey
stop. Stop playing with me. Morgan, go on. I'm gonna get my turkey. Okay, make it look fun. Come on, Kendall.
fries. How about this?
Wait a minute. Oh yeah, I need those. I was just about to go to get it. So we gotta get some sausages. Come on, girl.
I feel a bug in my nose.
Kendall, can you stop it?
I feel a bug in my nose.
Let's go find her some tissue because she getting on my nerves.
What you were saying earlier? Come here.
No, don't put her on there doing that.
No, you're not on no camera.
No. Okay. So I like to get like Lunchables.
Hi.
Oh no, I like to get Lunchables so it's stuff that girls can go in the refrigerator and grab and I don't have to go cook. Last time I got these here and they like these better, but I think these are, which Lunchable y'all like the best? Y'all like those better? Y'all like that better than Lunchables?
The crackers are better.
Which one? Kendall, I'm not buying Prime. I'm not putting on camera.
Yeah, your train there it is.
That shit nasty. Okay, so the girl, ooh, what it is?
never
we
seen
not
that
getting no, they got the spicy nachos. Oh, Joe, they don't come out with some spicy. We'll get two. So, nacho. And they like the pizza. Okay, so what like me?
You gonna put my pine bag? I get this.
Can you stop acting like this?
I get this.
I'm not fooling with you.
They trying to work at Walmart. She over there organizing this shit.
Come on, y'all. Oh, I didn't pepperoni.
I told you that.
I didn't hear you say pepperoni. So you gotta get some pepperoni because the girls eat pepperoni. Kendall, can you stop acting like a big old baby?
She's trying to act like a parent. She don't like my pie.
So, okay, what else, guys? I'll try to see what else we need. I think we need to get cheese.
I just pushed because she just pushed me.
You push me.
Y'all finna piss me off for this though. Okay, come on. So let's get some. I get some. So far, this is all we have in our budget for our snow day. We got some cheese. Okay. Make a what? They want to make an egg roll. So I got to get the girls some stuff for their lunch. So which one do you want?
I want these.
All right. Hold up. Do you want these or the M&Ms?
M&Ms. I want the chocolate. Yeah. Oreo one.
Or the Hershey one? That's just pure chocolate. That's not good, Jay. It tastes like coffee. That ain't
Can
good.
we get those?
No.
Can we get the Oreo ones?
You want an Oreo? You don't like the M&M?
No. What the hell?
This is the strawberry cheesecake. Ooh, that might be good. You want to try that one?
No, let's try black cherry.
Strawberry cheesecake.
Let's try. Ooh, look at this.
I want.
Probably Domitina ain't get these.
Cheese. You know when I was little.
No, I like this look good right here.
Which one?
Lady said Domitina look like the title on there.
So listen.
Sure.
See y'all, Jade has changed her attitude. Yay! Everybody clap for Jade. Yay! Clap for Jade. She's in a great attitude. Okay. So, hold on. I'll put it on YouTube. Let me see.
No.
So, y'all.
Get the low fat yolk.
No, my kids don't eat that. Jay, I'm not buying that.
The school be giving you that.
That's nasty. Move. You want the macro? It's low fat. I forgot you could read. My bad.
It's Kendall.
And put that in a Minecraft. And we're gonna get move. I wanna try these.
Get the strawberry cheese. No.
I wanna try this one.
Compare. Which one look better? You know this look better. This just look like pudding.
Okay, you get that. Either way, you gonna have to put graham crackers in and make it taste like cheesecake.
Can I get one?
But those are smaller. I like those.
Okay,
They're
get
bigger.
those. They the
Morgan.
same price? Come on now.
Man, I can't see these people.
Come on, put it in there.
You see what?
This is why y'all don't need to come with me. Move.
Hey, why you worry about low fat?
Because she's trying to.
I know that's not low fat.
Okay, so we got.
Mommy, lady talking about if she. Well,
Who took the Minecraft out? Jay, look, let me tell you something. Y'all getting on my nerves now.
Hey,
Wait.
Lady talking about what color her castle she want. What color her castle what she want to be.
Hey, don't talk like that.
what?
Whatever you talking about, don't talk like that.
You got the wrong kind.
This for their lunch when they go back to school. This
She
not.
got you look like a white in her camera.
Okay. Come on. Stop lighting. Okay, so we don't got the yogurt, I think. Okay, I gotta get some milk. Got some milk. Oh, they only got. We gotta get milk. So we get some milk.
You get blue milk. You're nasty.
Don't drink no old milk. They nasty. So we got milk.
Mommy,
What is? Who did that?
Jade. Okay. Mommy, lady pooped.
What lady did?
She tooted it.
So,
She tooted.
lady. Come this way, y'all. So we gotta get. I like these too.
She tooted.
All right. I like these. So we're gonna try. Nah, one of my cinnamon roll good this time. I know.
In the inside, and it actually gave cinnamon roll.
Mommy, look.
Normally it gives crunchy roll. Yes, ma'am.
Jay, don't walk off from me.
How you buy these? It had the football on the front. Please.
Y'all better go and get y'all Valentine cookies before it get too late.
I bet you still got the Halloween cookies.
No, I don't.
You know you don't. I mean, you know you do.
Mommy, can we get these and these?
I'm not doing it. And plus, they got peanut butter in there. Quit playing.
Can I get these?
Did you go and get your? You better go and get your
I already put one in there.
You already got one. Valentine cookies. Okay, so we got these M&M cookies, and then we get the Valentine cookies. It is so hard to shop with y'all. I swear to God, I can't stay focused to save my life. Come on over here, y'all. So I gotta get butter. Okay, so we gotta get butter. Must. If you hit me with that big, I swear to God.
She said you finna.
What's that?
You finna pee me off. That's what I said.
Don't curse. Hey, who? Somebody stink. Somebody stink. Who farted? Somebody stink. Somebody stink. Oh, y'all awful.
You pointing at me?
Okay, y'all, stop. You hit me with the bucket, but you keep hitting me with that dang on bucket. Stop. Okay, we got. I am not playing. You hit me with that bucket, I'ma light you up. Okay. Oh, y'all wanna do that? How long? Okay, for tomorrow, we need some sour cream. They only got light sour cream, but it don't matter. It all tastes the same, you ask me. Why they only got low-fat sour cream? Is it sour cream? Yeah, they only got low-fat sour cream. Do it matter? Look, it don't. It tastes the same. It tastes the same. We'll find out. Okay, y'all, let me get my butter and stuff. Move. So, y'all, we gotta get our butter. So, I like to use these. Yep, they were good ones. I know. Get your kids up on what they doing.
Look at Kendall.
Move. Why you got somebody grocery list? Who grocery list that is? Girl. Oh, they got my lemonade. Oh, they got my lemonade. Move. Y'all. Okay, what y'all say? I need for y'all to know. Milo is the best lemonade ever. Like, you gotta get it. You gotta get it. That's a lie. I get it because that's your good.
Mommy, these are new.
So, okay, my love.
Can y'all go? That's you, Jade. What's my dinner? See, look.
All right, y'all, we gotta get some eggs. Let me tell y'all. Look at this. This is ridiculous, y'all. Nah, look at the price of eggs. Eggs are. Let me see. Can y'all see it? $13 for some eggs. I'm not. They wrong.
She called you a brokey.
I gotta get grandma get some Sprite. Okay, we got. Okay. I need the 18 count eggs. They ain't got the 18 count eggs. Morgan. I gotta get orange juice.
Am I actually helping you out?
Yeah, cause where's Jade and Kendall?
You can't leave that open closet.
I'm sorry. Where's Jade and Kendall?
YouTube?
Yeah, YouTube. You wanna be on my YouTube?
Yeah, why not?
All right, shout out.
Shout out. YouTube.
All right.
The beekeeper.
The beekeeper.
Yeah.
You on YouTube too?
I'm missing this system all the time.
Thank you.
Hey, mommy.
What?
This is my bail. This is Arizona.
Oh, we finna go to find. Tell them to come in with that baby.
Who was that?
That shit is. Wait.
Was that a subscriber?
Yeah.
I helped you out, man.
What you got?
I got 20.
Why you got the meaning? That's the wrong one. Them things go. This ain't correct. I see. Look, that one cracked. So don't put that one back. You pay $13 for eggs. I want them perfect. Walmart. No cracked eggs. They leaving me, y'all. Okay, there it was. Y'all get on my nerves. Morgan, come here. What a minute, like, come on, Morgan. Yeah, it's over here. Come on back down here. What Jade at? Hey, how you doing? Say excuse me when you walking past. Come on. Where you find the Arizona tea at, girl? Over where? Hey, I'm about to hurt you, girl.
I get fine. I be good.
Can you stop?
I be good.
Oh, I see. I don't want the tea. I want the cocktail. Okay. 3. I need to record now. She's not bothering you. Leave her alone.
Yeah, that's what you always do.
Yeah, I drink that sometimes, but I don't got on the other one. Get one. If you gonna get it, get it.
I can only earbuds.
Yeah. Huh?
But I need earbuds.
What?
I need earbuds.
Emma, if you gonna get you one of them drinks, you better get it.
I want the peach. I want the wet peach.
All right, come on, let's go down this aisle down here. Let's go. All right, y'all. If y'all haven't liked, subscribe, hit that little bell, become part of the Sparkle Squad. We're taking y'all shopping with us, and we're doing our shopping because we're supposed to get snowed in tomorrow. We don't know if we're gonna really get snowed in. I think I'm finna do a little challenge with the girls. I'm finna let them pick a color, and then they got to find a snack so they can have that snack of that color. Okay, y'all. So what we're finna do is we're gonna play a game. Everybody pick a color, and then you got to find 3 snacks to go.
Get it.
Yeah, 3 snacks to go with that.
Pink, pink, pink,
So you gotta do.
pink,
You got to find something pink to go with it. What your color is? Yes. Stop whispering. They can hear you. What's your color? Pick a color. Get a snack. Your color is yellow.
Yeah.
So you go. Once you say your color, you cannot change it. 1, 2, 3. What's your color is? Go. What's your color?
Yellow.
Oh, so you gonna keep yellow. What's your color?
I don't want to keep yellow.
What Jade? What's your color?
You pink.
No, I gotta go with the yellow.
Oh, mine's green.
Green. Stick with green. Can't pick it on. Jade and Kendall, get on. What's your color? Girl, that is not a color. That's a thing. Blue. Okay, so you gotta get a blue drink, and all your snacks, your 3 snacks gotta be
Can I
blue.
get some old snap pickles? I'm gonna find me some pickles.
Come on, Jade and Kendall.
We still can get the pineapple, right?
No, cause that's not part of your snack.
Oh,
No, it don't work like that. So you gonna have to stay with that color. I'm telling you now. What's your color is? Pink. Okay, so your snack got to stay with pink. Excuse me, I'm sorry. That is not a snack. That's a toy. I'm not buying that. Girl, you don't need that big old juice thing. Quit playing.
But you said pink.
All right, so everybody got their colors. Jay is orange. Kendall is pink. Morgan is green. Lady is blue.
Look.
So go ahead. You got to make do with what you got. You cannot do that. You can get your pickles if you want to.
No, but this snack. Can we go on the other side? This ain't
Just
over
pick
here.
something on it. Y'all making it hard.
Oh my God, it ain't that over here.
What? You picked the color blue, so go ahead and find your blue snack.
Can I please change my color? Can I please change my color? Please. What can I stick?
No, you have to stick with the color you pick.
Jesus, so long. You tell me I can't change my color?
No, you cannot change your color.
Mommy, this
Come on, Jade. What is that?
This yellow.
You better pick something that you gonna eat, and you just picking up stuff.
These are good, bro.
Make it make sense.
You gotta get everything your color.
You gonna have to eat that stuff, and you need to make sure they got no peanuts in them.
I don't want no pickles. I'm changing my color to red.
You cannot. Your color was green.
I'm gonna go on the other side then.
Wait a minute, Jade. Make that make sense. What you got?
And
What is that?
it's bubble.
No, make it make sense.
Boba, it's yellow. I posted don't got peanut.
Come here, Kendall. What do you have?
What shit?
Right here behind you. What do you have?
Got these.
Raspberry. Girl.
My juice and this is like
Okay, you got juice. Come on,
What is it supposed to
Jade.
be?
pink.
Can you go on to participate?
I might not go to the other side.
What? Lay down.
She on the other side.
Can y'all wait?
Come on. Let me get my stuff from over here first.
What's your color?
I ain't have a color. And don't put me on the camera.
I don't have a color.
You just gonna leave your buggy. Hold on, y'all. Okay. So she's going to be getting. Oh, I still can get some pictures though. My bad. If you drop your items, you can't get them.
I'm changing my color.
See, that ain't fair.
No, she not changing her color. Your color got to stay the same. You already picked the color, let your color stay the same. Who you talking to?
Ooh. My
Don't
color
get
gonna be blue, purple, and red. Those are all my colors.
So she's getting some Kool-Aid gel.
This is my
the
color.
buggy. So now, drop in the comment section how much you think this is.
This is my color.
I'm not buying those.
So we finna go to the other side in a minute. And we're gonna.
Wait, is this green?
I don't want no olive pop.
I know.
Only reason why I got green because y'all, I like snap pickles. TT. That lady down there talking to them.
Jade, Kendall.
She asked me what their name is.
How you doing?
I got 20 girls. They 30. Y'all trying to fake it off, y'all. Y'all not supposed to be talking to nobody. But y'all, let me give y'all a little fitty little check. Hold on, I don't think you're gonna fit up here. Y'all get it too, right, y'all? They're kicking me.
Jade, don't get no spanking.
I got
puffer
proud.
vest on. I went to school today. So of course I got a black school shirt on. Again, a brown puffer vest, some blue jeans, and my low milk tennis shoes. Trying to add on to the vlog. Show them your feet. Show them your feet. Show them what you got on.
Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty, so that's convenient to my
What school shoes you got on?
a black.
Black. With a pink bow, and I'm finna fix her bow.
Hey, oh, so annoying.
Y'all, she said I'm annoying because we're trying to help her. How does she sound? I was just adding stuff to your video because you just found it boring.
My color is pink and yellow.
Come on, Jade.
She's mommy, look.
And then get all that.
Yeah, but they ain't the ones that I like.
No, that's the ones that I'm getting.
Y'all go ahead and pick y'all snacks so we can hurry up and go.
I got one.
But right now, y'all don't got me so frustrated. Don't put stuff in my bucket. I shouldn't even put it in my bucket. Let's go. Is that what you gonna get? You go. Lay down. Excuse me.
Well, it's some veggie strings.
Do the veggie dance. Do the veggie dance. All right, what it is? You only get 3 things. I don't know why y'all get
3 snaps.
y'all cannot follow directions. Y'all go. I give y'all an inch. You take a mile. You can't follow direction. Simple direction. That's why you're failing in school because you don't follow direction. You failing. You failing. You failing. I don't. Y'all teachers are giving y'all grades. What color? What color is your color?
It's got blue.
What color is your color?
I said blue.
Jade, you is ridiculous.
No,
Move.
I'm not.
You just picking up stuff that you know you don't eat. Come on, let her by. Let her by. Let her by. Ah,
Oh
Kendall.
my God.
I'm finna whoop her.
You see, I swear to God.
Kendall. That is not okay in public. Shut up. That is not okay in public. Do you understand me? Now, you look silly. You had somebody in front of you and you were acting like that. Jade, do not walk off from me. The game is off. Okay, go ahead. Get your stuff.
I can change the red.
Go. Get your stuff. Go.
I
No.
want some pickles too.
Kendall, put your... Oh, I don't have no fight. They gonna do it. They getting on my nerve. They really getting on my nerve. Kendall, stop. Stop it. You better stop. Stop it.
She messed with me first.
Get over there. They getting on my nerve. I'm trying to do a challenge with them, but they getting mad and they make me mad.
They get mad. I forgot what's next.
Loud, have mercy. All right.
All y'all should do. We really just chose the red.
Come on. Bye.
We don't know that.
Yes. Come here.
Oh, look, I'm tired of them little short legs keep going on my legs.
Pull your pants up and pull
Look
your
at
shirt
it.
up.
You stop messing with me.
What you gonna do right?
Okay.
See what this what I'm gonna do right.
Come on, let's go, y'all.
All right, come on.
It don't matter about
I don't think we're gonna do the challenge. I think this is an epic fail on the challenge because stop
She
fighting.
said it don't matter about the height. You do. She still can't fight. You scared.
my color's orange.
Look. Okay, y'all.
Man, this is epic fail. We need to restart. Don't do it at all.
We're not gonna do it at all. Come on, cause I gotta finna get my groceries.
I still want her snack. Look at her. So
If whatever's in the bucket stays in the bucket. I'm not putting nothing else in the bucket.
Can I still get my old snap picture? This is literally all I came to. Right there, you go.
Okay, y'all. They asked for one more chance. I'm gonna give them one more chance.
Brown.
Hey,
I'm gonna
My color brown. My color is teal.
No, y'all keep it the same color. Y'all cannot change colors.
My color is brown. Mine's gonna be. Wait, mine was
Come
orange.
on, let's go.
I'm gonna do healthy orange.
Girl, put that stuff down. Do y'all want to try them Squishmallow cereal?
No.
You don't want them?
No.
What about the bluey?
no.
Y'all acting like they put Lady Morgan, because if Lady Morgan was with me, y'all would have got those. You want those?
Mommy, can we go to the yogurt aisle so I can get my healthy stuff?
Girl, we don't got everything we're going to get. I'm about to go. Let's go check out.
No.
How much y'all think this bucket is? Because see, half of this stuff I'm not going to get because they just put stuff in my bucket. Hell, let's go. I'll tell you, if you put it in my bucket, it go into my house. Don't TT me. Y'all doing the most. Who?
Lady,
I'm finna be chopped behind.
help me.
Jade, Kelly, y'all need to be in front of my bucket.
It hurts.
Hold up.
She gonna pop back up. She gonna pop back up without you looking.
No, if they start talking to anybody again, I'm gonna beat their behind. Let her by. Okay. I didn't get my seasoning.
With that side by
Listen, I don't care. I don't care if anybody say, are y'all twins? Y'all cute. If you're not standing by me, you don't talk to nobody. You don't give them your name, your birthday, and all that. You don't do that. I don't care if they do this. Anybody can say they have twins. But you gotta understand, you gotta come. You stay with me at all times in front of my buggy. Do not walk behind my buggy. Yes, because games, it doesn't change because y'all with Lady Morgan. You know when it's just me and y'all,
Hold on,
y'all
pause.
stay in the front. I don't have to pause.
Because you the man one talking to.
You don't tell nobody your information. Do you understand me?
Tell your name, tell her your name, and leave me alone.
No, you don't say nothing. You just say yes. You just let me go get my mommy.
And she gonna run off.
People, I don't care. They'll take you. You don't do that. So they're crashing out right now. So I have one. They crashing out. They crashing out because they can't do their challenge. Stop, kill them. Look at that one. She really crashing out, yo. Oh Lord Jesus. See? Stop crashing out. I'm sorry. Come on, life. Stop.
You help me in my.
The next day.
All right, y'all. Welcome to Snow Day Vlog with the Durham family.
I'm making a
Y'all, look at the snow. It is snowing in Macon, Georgia. Look at Jade. It is snowing here in Macon, Georgia. Welcome to our vlog, y'all. We got snow. See, we was mad last week when Atlanta got all the snow, and now we have snow. Hey, you guys, welcome to our vlog. As you can see, it is snowing. It is snowing. It's snowing. I get to put on my fur coat in the snow. All right, y'all. So the girls are outside playing in the snow. I'm out here watching like a mama, like, oh, bird is cold. So I'm about to get some footage of the girls playing in the snow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell, be a part of the Sparkle fam, Durham family, whatever you want to call us. Put in the comment what you want us to be called. But yeah, y'all, it is snowing. It's snowing. It ain't snowing in here since 2018. So we got some snow, honey. 2025 brought in the snow, baby. Don't play with her. All right, so let's get some footage of the girls. Okay. Let's see, can we make a snowball?
I make a snowball off your car.
Let's see.
Oh, I need open door. You gotta get parent good.
Hey, I gotta go get some socks or something.
Yeah.
How hard I gotta go get some socks?
It's rough out here, guys. Look at my hand. Look at mine. Snow. Let it snow. Let it snow. Let it snow. Yeah, it's snowing. Look at mommy's car. Look at mine. Look at mommy's car. It is snowing. Who's that? Who's that? That was you? Okay, who said that? Mommy got some socks in her hand.
How long? Oh my gosh, girl! It went down my shirt! Look what they done to me. Oh my gosh. Go get Kendall. Do you want to build a snowman? Oh, it is cold. It's dry. This dog. Oh my gosh. Let me see. It is cold out here.
Come on, you lady.
I'm out here in the snow. And my fur coat. It's cold out here. Y'all. Oh, stop. Don't do me like that. Don't do. You need to go put on a pair of socks on top of them gloves. I'm gonna go get her some gloves. All right, y'all. So I'm about to walk the neighborhood and let y'all see what it look like. Come along. Let's walk the neighborhood. Come on. Put your hands in your pocket. It's cold. I want to see. Girl. Let's walk the neighborhood. All right, y'all. Is it snowing where y'all at? Comment down below where y'all at, where you live. Is it snowing where you live? I wouldn't dare drive. I was gonna go to my sister's house, but it's
Can
no.
you walk to her house?
Girl, that's a long walk.
What's that? Ah! Ah!
I see somebody make slime in the snow on TikTok.
Hey, it's like snowland.
So we had walked, and let me show y'all what outside of our neighborhood looks like in the snow. Okay, guys, so we're about to make some hot chocolate. I'm gonna let them add this in there. Me, I had coffee. I'm gonna show y'all the coffee that I had. I love this coffee from Dunkin' Donuts. Dunkin' coffee, yeah. And that's what's in my cup. I don't drink it. I needed it. It was rejuvenating. And then let me show you what we're eating. And we're eating this tonight, chili cheese dog. Well, this is just a chili dog with no cheese and add onions. Yep, that's what we're eating tonight after a snow day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that. And that was Kendall's big old mouth. How was your snow day?
You need to go see their back.
This is what our backyard looks like. OMG, it is cold. It is cold. It is cold.
We get some cup of water out there so it's gonna freeze overnight.
Oh, they're trying to see if their water can freeze. Okay, I can't do this. Goodbye. It's cold. Go. Us on YouTube, where you get to see the day life of the Durham Twins. Let's talk hair with Sparklehaircare. Yes, we're all in one channel. Don't forget to subscribe
And hit that bell.